The attorneys for the man accused in the Delphi murder says he should be released on bond. How they're using information in court documents to possibly get their client out of jail. Plus, more information could come to light in an in-custody death involving IMPD. What lawyers for Herman Whitfield's estate says should be released to inform people about what happened. But we start tonight with some breaking news. Attorneys representing the man accused in the deaths of Abby Williams and Libby German in Delphi are asking for bail for their client. Richard Allen's attorneys filed a motion in Carroll County Circuit Court today seeking a bail hearing. Allen is charged with felony murder in the girls' deaths. His attorneys claim they've read the sealed probable cause affidavit that led to Allen's arrest and that there's no proof of guilt evident or presumption of guilt against their client. Tomorrow morning, a judge in Carroll County will hear arguments on whether to release the sealed probable cause affidavit that led to Allen's arrest. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid will be in that courtroom tomorrow morning and joins us for a preview of what we might learn.
An attorney representing Indiana Media filed a motion today seeking release of the probable cause affidavit that led to Richard Allen's arrest, saying it's in the best interest of the public to learn about the case the investigators have against the accused Delphi killer. The case against Richard Allen is shrouded by secrecy because last month Carroll County prosecutor Nicholas McClellan convinced a judge to seal the probable cause affidavit that led to his arrest for the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German near the Monon High Bridge on the banks of Deer Creek 5.5 years ago.
I think the state might be seeking to protect someone. That person's life might be in jeopardy. It could be the case in this particular case, or it might simply be some information that might be embarrassing. The state can't withhold evidence.
Indiana State Police Superintendent Doug Carter told me unsealing the PC won't hurt the integrity of the case. At this point, we don't know why the PC was sealed or what the attorneys can say in open court to convince the judge to rule for or against the prosecutor.
Obviously, the parties are going to be very handicapped in what they can say, even in the argument, because they might reveal some information that might be critical or confidential there too. But the court's got to see that there's a problem here, and that there's some public interest that overrides the open records law.
Judge Fran Gull could agree to keep the PC sealed, release it in full, or tell the prosecutor to redact certain sensitive information and publish the document.
The judge could say, well, I do understand that you're seeking to protect the identity of a person. Offer me a redacted version of the PC that might exclude all necessary information to protect that person's identity. What's in the best interest of the public, best interest of justice and individual, those are all things the court might consider.
A couple of issues that could come up tomorrow, whether or not a gag order will be sought to quell public comment about this case, and also whether or not Richard Allen will be seeking a speedy trial. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.